What's up, everybody? It's Wes over here with Blue Coast Precision. Today we're going to go ahead and open up MasterCam and try and design some 123 block holders. I bought some cheap Chinese 123 blocks without a case, so I'm pretty much making a storage case that'll fit in my toolbox. Something a little nicer than just having them thrown out somewhere, getting all banged up. So let's see. I guess we can create a level. We'll just do wireframe. 2, we'll do solid. Shouldn't take us too long to do this today. So let's see. I guess we'll just do our main box, right? So now let's do this. We'll come in 1/8 of an inch. So this should be 2 inches. All right, cool. You know what? I might do it like this instead. So I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna do away with all these for now. Just extend these two. Alright, we should be good now. Auto. Alright, now let's go back and make our solid. Let's divide these. Alright. One inch. Now we'll extrude all this. Right, now we'll draw another rectangle. We'll do this at -0.875. Looks good. And now what we can do is come to the right side. Should work. Try that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and save it and we'll throw it in the 3D printer, and then I'll get back with y'all and we'll see what it looks like.